Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I just wanted to let everybody know and to thank everybody for getting me to 1,000. Just totally stunned by it, but anyhow, I just wanted to make a quick little video to thank you guys, thank everybody for their support, and to let you know our giveaway video will be coming out pretty soon. I'm actually going to wait just a little bit. I want to make sure that the 1,000 sticks, that we're not going to drop any or lose any, and that YouTube doesn't do a purge or something where I remember back George got to 1,000 a couple times and he ended up going backwards. But anyhow, so this is just a quick little video to let everybody know that I know that I'm there, and to thank everybody for getting me there. And I will be putting out the giveaway video pretty soon. So this is just a thank you. This is not the one you'll have to sign up in or anything. So anyway, thanks again guys, and we will see you all in the next video.